Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how to make this nice, good cheesecake with white chocolate glaze on top. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to start out with 2 packages of graham crackers here. Okay, we already put 2 packs of graham crackers in here. So what we want is just 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in there. Next, we want a half stick of butter melted. And we're just going to mix this well together. Okay, next we want to do, we're going to take our crust that we, and then we're going to put this aside for a minute, and we're going to work on leveling this out. I usually like to take a bottom of the measuring cup, and then I just like to go along the sides and just getting it all leveled out like that. Not like that, but you know. Okay, we're going to call that good right there. We're going to put that into an oven. First thing we're going to start off with is 4 little blocks like this. Okay, we're going to take a scissors and cut these open. We need to get these the room temperature. That's alright, we've got other things to work on while they get there, but you're going to put all of these in this large bowl. Okay, the first thing we're going to add in is our sugar. And you can use blended sugar, it's what I use. And we're just going to mix this well together. Thing I want to add while I'm doing this, I want to add in 1 egg. And you want to make sure you get that all poured in. Make sure that egg disappears and everything before you add another one. Okay, that's pretty good. We're going to add another egg. And we're going to let this one go until it disappears in the batter. See how it's now coming along just nicely. Now it's time to add in another egg. You want to make sure you get 4 eggs in this, but put them in separate like I'm doing. It's most important, especially the cheesecake. If you want that nice cheesecake, that's how you do it. Now we're going to put that last one in. Now keep doing this till it disappears. Now we're going to put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, next you want 2/3 cups of sour cream, and that's what that was. And you also want 2/3 cups of heavy whipping cream to be put in the batter. Okay, we're going to give this a good blend. Okay, now we're going to put the filling inside the... Okay, you can usually do a water bath with one of these. I don't have the stuff to do it with, so I'm just going to do it like is. It will have little cracks. You want to set your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. And then when you get ready to put this in, you want to lower it to 325 Fahrenheit. And you want to leave it in there for about an hour and a half. Okay, I'm going to take 1 bar of this white chocolate. And I'm going to melt it. We're going to make a glaze here. I don't need the full thing because I already have some in there. So I just need a little bit now right there. Be enough. And I want to take like a cup of milk, just regular cow milk. And we're just gonna turn the heat up a little bit, and we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, affectionate sugar. And we're gonna give this a good. Okay, that's what turned out. The top got a little bit more browner than I'd like, but that's okay. We're gonna cover that up. Okay, we're going to cut us a good old slice. Very carefully. Okay, we're going to take a bite of this. Take a look at this. Look how smooth that is. Oh my God, it's so good. That is so delicious. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you do subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss a notification, and I'll see you next time.